Hey guys, it's Fisher Priceless. Today I actually dropped off my 4 older kids to a neighborhood VBS and I have my 2 younger kids alone with me today. 100 grass? Yeah. Probably. There's probably more than 100 grass. Yeah. Grass is trees? No. Yes? Yeah, he did. See Joanna go in the boat too? We have this big Nissan NV 12-passenger van. And I got a little nervous because none of the car washes seem to have a car wash big enough for our van, except for the car wash factory. Luke and JoJo love it because they have all these cool lights that happen. The manager's special, we usually get the $22 single wash. And then you can use their vacuums for free.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen. You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead.
Y'all ready? We're getting a car wash? Luke, you want to come up here beside JoJo? Right? It does! Oh, it's so much fun! What'd you think, JoJo? It's so fun! Do you see the water, JoJo? Oh! Fun, guys! Yeah! Do you want to vacuum it? Yeah. All right, Luke. So we're gonna get all the trash you can find, and we're gonna put them out here in the trash can. Okay? Can you do it? Look what Mommy's found already. All that trash. Get the trash. Here's our Nissan. What we got Joe here in the middle, front. We got the 2 boys, the middle row seating. And we got these 2 seats. Well, we have 2 more seats to make a 4-row seat in the very back to have a lot of storage for all our stuff. Look what we got down here. It's a carrot. Imagine that. Oh man. Glove. Since it's, you know, almost August, we need those gloves. Did you get my glove? Thank you. Oh look, we got a matching pair. And we found all this stuff. And a poor little dead frog. I can't make this stuff up. I don't know why there's a frog in here, but there is. Throw all that away. Alright, this is called a mat vac. Okay? So this is the way Mommy does it. Okay, ready? We're going. Look how red my face is. So we did it with 2 toddlers. Let me tell y'all something. You mamas out there, I don't care if you have 1 or if you have 6 or if you have 8 or you have 12. Mama job is hard. It's hard. And let me tell you, when you have 2 little ones, it's much harder with 2 little ones than it is with 2 little ones and 4 older ones. I love having older helpers. It just helps my life.
Yay, we're going to Chick-fil-A and get ice cream.
We're going to Chick-fil-A and get ice cream because look what Mommy found. Alright, we're gonna go.
Yay!
Hey Luke, how many cars are there? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 that we can see. It's been 3 minutes. Do you think we can get through in 2 minutes? Look, we even had an expired card that I didn't recognize. They ended up giving me the free ice cream anyway because Chick-fil-A is awesome. So yay, Chick-fil-A.
We're the 2 places.
Joe, what does the cow say?
Blue.
Yes, but I meant like, what does the Chick-fil-A cow say?
Duck.
Eat more chicken.
Eat more chicken. Icy.
You all so excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't have too much sugar.
Too much sugar.